Hi, this is Lokesh, and today video we are going to discussing the how to use the locators in Selenium IDE. Okay, and previous video I explained the what are the locators presented in Selenium IDE. Okay, and today we are going to discussing the Selenium IDE. The first one, it is an ID into the locator. That locator is a theory part. Name it's a second part of that one I will explain later. Okay, first one is an ID. In that ID, this is the most common way to locating an element, since IDs are not supposed to be unique for such element. Target format is ID equal to ID of the element. For this example, we'll see the Facebook test app, because Mercury Tourism does not using ID, because Mercury we saw the previous manual test execution. On that place we have some Mercury is a name. There is an ID they don't use on that. That does not use it on that, but they're using is a name. And this one is a navigation to Facebook and inspect the email or phone text box, Firebug, and take note on this ID. Launch the Selenium ID, enter the ID equal to email in the target box. Click and find the button and notice that email and its box become the highlighted. Okay, this is a task we are going to doing now. Okay, this is the Facebook, and that Facebook we are going to see this capture and keep it on that. It will show the ID. This is a locator. Okay, right. Locator ID name. Okay, now it's in a Firefox table. Okay. So now command is in a type and target ID equal to ID name. Okay, so now we want to where as well Facebook. Okay, see, did you see that yellow color it is coming? This yellow color is coming. Okay, now see this Facebook final. See, that is the yellow color it appears. If you see slow mode, it's in a faster mode. That's it. See, yellow color is an appearing. Now ID appears the value. What is the pass? We saw that entire code is coming. Okay, this is the ID based on that. Okay, now we are going to discussing a name. Location is a name. Locator name is a name. That locator name is in a Mercury. We saw the Firebug, right? On the Firebug we find the name. But now we are going to discussing it. This is the website Mercury. Okay, nettourism.domain outs. So located name by the name or verify is similar to the located by the ID. We saw the Facebook has an ID. How the ID is presented as same like the name also is presented. See, here is a name. You can see the Facebook as a name also is presented. Based on the name also we can check that. We need to highlight that one. Okay, now we are going to change here as a name. My net is slow, that's why I am showing here only one more time. Okay, now highlighting. The name is a locator. We are given the targeted place as a name is a locator name. which is the locator name is presented, that name we are going to validating. So find is on clicking. This is a name and target value, because we are is an ID is presented the same way. How the ID is presented, the same like so it is presented. Okay. But Mercury, I theoretically explain the Mercury, and the same like we can go to the Mercury website and you can choose the navigate to that one, and you can Firebug, you can use the Firebug, you can put on the Firebug. Check that if it is working, then okay. No, it's not working right now. Okay, but I will explain the name also here. Okay, but unfortunately my net is not properly working. And navigate to Mercury website, and you can use the username tag text box, note of the name attribute, and name equal to username. In the target box we can find button. How the find button I used here, use the target value and type, which is the type is presented that name, and give the base URL, and you can click that. First click here and you can find button, you can click the find button, then you will definitely see the yellow color. Okay, this is a normal way to finding. Locator name by using filter. Filter can be used when the multiple elements have the same name. Filters are additional attributes to user distribution element of the same. Target format. The target field name equal to name of the element or filter value of that. Launch some mechanism and username and password. Use a Firebug. Notice that a round trip and one-way radio button have the same name, trip type. However, they have a different value attributes, so we can use such a them on our filter. Step 3. We are going to access the one-way radio button first. Click the first on the editor. In the command box of the Selenium IDE, enter the command as a click. The target box, enter name equal to trip type, value equal to one way, and the value one way portion is our filter. And next is the fourth step, which is the basically to find button. You can notice that in a Selenium IDE is able to highlight in the one way radio button with the green. Meaning is that we are able to access the element successfully using its value attributes. Means sometimes the combination radio button we have. So 1 second, I'll show the new button. Radio buttons name is same, the value is different, is presented on that. If we have India, US, UK, like this we have, but name is the same as in a radio select name or else any name is presented. Okay, but value is different. 0, 1, 2 is presented. We can choose both the options and we can use on that. At the time it will able to take it the values. With the combination of name and value also we can take is an ID and ID. If the ID is presented is a name. Okay, now again name equal to name. Okay, like this we can use, or else the combination, because multiple times that values are present. If you want to check both and symbol and ID name both are matched, then only you can assign can click that value, or else or if ID or else name. Sometimes the developer changing the multiple values. At the time choosing purpose we can use this and symbol and R symbol, and we can assign the values. This is about the name and idea of this video, and next video I will explain to the how to use the link text box and CSS selector. Okay, thank you for watching my video. If you like this video, please like me. If you want to comment my video, please comment on that. Thank you for watching.